had to select one quality, one personal characteristic that I regard as being most highly correlated with success, whatever the field, I would pick the trait of persistence, determination, the will to endure to the end, to get knocked down 70 times, and get up off the floor saying, "Here comes number 71, Richard Devos." Every worthwhile accomplishment, big or little, has its stages of drudgery and triumph, a beginning, a struggle, and a victory. Gandhi.
My 75-day challenge, day 21, all three of us. 2 45-minute workouts a day plus all the other stuff we're doing. And today was hard for me because I'm tired. Hungry, angry, lonely, tired. I'm not hungry. I ate good yesterday. I'm angry, as always. Not lonely. Surrounded by friends. My family. But I'm tired because I stayed up too dang late last night. And so for me, the struggle today was just to get to this exact spot. Like to even cross the street and get to our first mile. I really wanted to turn around, but then I kind of played the tape through just like you would in recovery. And later on today, I wouldn't be in the same mood or mindset that I'm in now and been like, dang it, you should have just went. And now we got here, and I'm glad we did. We all had to talk each other into it. And then we talked each other out of it. Then we talked each other into it. Then we talked each other out of it again. Then Felice tried to come off the top rope with the weather.
It still looks sketchy.
And then Zylan just started walking, so we had to follow him.
Zylan's MVP.
Want to talk about your 75-day experience?
Yep, solid ones today. It's been easy and hard. Just depends on the day. It's hard because I get pretty tired. Hard to make it to work on time and then go for my walk. And then, throw hormones into it. And then all of a sudden I want sugar. But we're doing it. 20 days in. Down, from 178 to 171. That's not too bad.
Nice.
Seems like a couple pounds a week. So that's encouraging. I seem to get to this point and want to give up, so it's good. We got to go another 500 billion days, so.
We got to press through this plateau. Sure.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying it so far, though. That's fun. It's nice to get out at work. It's my favorite part, I think.
Yeah. Take a break in the day.
Oh, my legs are tired today. It was hard.
Yeah, mine are too.
How about you?
Mine's good. I like being able to get outside at least once in a workout. Because I think it's just good for my brain to be outside. It's good for my brain to work out, but it's good for my brain to be outside too. I'm starting to get a handle on my food and the food that I'm supposed to be eating, and I think I've started to get the hang of it 20 days in.
Yeah.
And like I think we always talk about, the hardest part for me is saying what I admire about myself and like justifying it. Like I keep trying to justify it, whereas like I just need to say what it is, and that's what it is. Like that's what I admire about myself. So, and I've tried to recently, as I've run out of things that I admire about myself, I tried to do things throughout the day that I can say that I admire about myself. Like I try to set myself up to have something to admire about myself. So that's kind of what I've been noticing. I've been noticing that I just feel better in my body and my mind, and I just feel like, I don't know if this makes sense, but like lighter on my feet. Just I just feel like light,
100%.
like I think it's my mindset and physically all together. Like I just feel like, woo.
That's a good way to put it.
I
was trying to describe that, but you just know it.
Yeah.
Mentally and physically.
Yeah.
Around my feet.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird.
Yeah, that I don't feel like I'm dragging
Where
on.
does that come
feel
from?
weighed down by negativity.
Yeah.
We're all lifted up by the positivity.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
walk
Look at
with
this
our
view. Look
heads
at the
held high.
freaking. Whoa!
It's a tornado.
Yeah. Don't want to be up there right now.
I'm grateful we're on this side.
Yeah. That side looks cold.
Awesome. Jackie, get with my camera.
She pushes it off the mountain.
And then I get up and punt you like a football off the mountain. Yeah, Brown just did.
I know.
Good deal, y'all.
Good
Like a
deal.
I'm
grandma.
proud of you guys for pushing me to get up here today. Like seriously, that whole team thing, I definitely wouldn't be as motivated without these two. Seeing them do it, and then I'm like, I gotta do it too. If I don't do it, then I'll get disappointed. So yeah, it's this whole teamwork makes a dream work.
Teamwork, team. My just there one ear. Majestic.
So there's two parts to this. You're going to get one shot where you're, just bring your toes to the line. Take for 4. So you'll look down at this piece of paper, and then you'll look up and look into the camera, and you just convey that. Does that make sense to you? Okay. The first part of the video is we're showing sort of what addiction looks like. Okay. One more time. Playful, laughing. He knows a thing or two about this shit and action. Hopelessness, the loss, confusion, and just
Excited? Has life changed like overnight or what?
Overnight almost. Legit.